Hi guys, I've come back with another interesting dressing for you. It's the Thai peanut dressing and it's so yummy, you'll fall in love with it. This is one salad recipe which I like it even over sauteed vegetables. It's really delicious, like carrots and beans. It tastes really good. You need half a cup of yogurt, whisked until smooth, 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce, a teaspoon of soya sauce, salt, completely according to your taste, 1.5 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now here you can take the chunky peanut butter or you can take the smooth peanut butter, freshly ground pepper. So all you need to do is just whisk everything together and the peanut butter is going to overpower everything. You know, you can put it on beans and carrots and cauliflower. Sprinkle a few chia seeds and flax seeds on top to make it super healthy. It's amazing and you will love this. It's a very on-the-go recipe. If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll be back again with new recipes from my bookshelf.